Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope all are doing good. Today in this video, I'm going to share you the wonderful opening for 2022 candidates. Not only 2022 candidates, but some people are saying it is also applicable for 2020 on the 2021 batches also. So you can try to apply for this job. Now it's time to tell the details about the opening. The company name is IBM. They are hiring for the role Associate System Engineer. In this video, I'll try to discuss the eligibility criteria, test pattern and recruitment process. The eligibility criteria to apply for this role is the first criteria is candidates must be in the final year of education and must obtain their degree before the start of employment with IBM. This is the first criteria, means at now you must be in your final year of education. The second criteria is the qualification must be BE or BTech or MTech or MSc or MCA. And coming to the branches, CS or IT or mathematics or circuit branches also can apply for this role. The CGPA must be 6 CGPA, but there is a restriction for Maharashtra state people. They can have 58% or 5.8 CGPA. This is all about the eligibility criteria. And coming to the work locations are Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore and Ahmedabad. And coming to the key competencies, that is the skills they are looking for. They are looking for the people who know the programming languages like Java, Python and Node.js, and also the people must know about the software development lifecycle. These are all the requirements they are looking for. And coming to the selection process, first round is coding assessment, second round is cognitive ability assessment, third round is English language test, fourth round is TR come with HR. All the 4 rounds are elimination rounds. You need to score the minimum percentage in all the rounds. As I said, the first round is coding assessment. The test pattern for the first round is the first round consists of only one coding question. You can write the code in any programming language as you prefer. The time duration for the coding assessment is only 30 minutes. The coding questions are come from mostly string concepts, and the test platform is HackerRank. The second round is cognitive ability assessment. Candidates who clear the coding assessment will receive the invitation mail for cognitive ability assessment with the test date, time and the link to login. This round contains only 6 questions. Those are mini games to check our aptitude ability. The time duration for the second round is also 30 minutes. Third round is English language test, and the candidates who clear the cognitive ability assessment will receive the test link for this third round, English language test. This round consists of only 10 questions. You can say this third round is a kind of verbal ability. It consists of questions like fill in the blank, sentence correction, as like as verbal ability. And the time duration for the third round is only 10 minutes for 10 questions. The fourth round, that is final round, is interview. It consists of both technical and HR rounds. Candidates who clear the third round will receive the invites for interviews. And this is the selection process for IBM. And one more important thing is the people who are attended the hiring process within the last 12 months, they are not eligible to apply for this role. As all of you know that all the process will be in virtual mode. Coming to the interview questions, I am providing the interview questions link in the description. You can see that. And I am providing the registration link in the description. So register as soon as possible. This is all about IBM hiring process. If you like the video, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any queries regarding the recruitment process, you can comment me down or else post that question in our Telegram group, link provided in the description. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.